Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So I have honeymoon, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together, and true love. This is a romance of a lifetime. Alright, Libra, so listen. Two things I'm seeing here. For those of you that are single and you've been putting in the work, you've been healing from the past, I definitely feel like there's somebody new coming in for you. And the universe is asking you to keep an open mind because, we're all human, okay? And we have like a specific type of man or a specific type of woman that we're looking for. And sometimes what's really good for you is not what comes in the usual package that you expect, okay? I mean, I ain't talking like jump off the deep end, okay? But, you gotta think about your children in the future. But what I'm saying is, keep an open mind, just keep an open mind. Just, give people a chance. Like, if you want to be treated like the king and the queen that you are, there's somebody out there that can give you everything that you're looking for, but Spirit wants you to keep an open mind. You could be meeting this person when you go to travel, if you guys are going on vacation soon, or just when you're out and about. This is when you could bump into this person. I definitely feel like you are going to take a cautious approach if you do decide to give someone new a chance, because you guys have just been through it all. But this person that you will bump into or that you will meet will be your true love. That was cute. That was real cute, wasn't it? Alright, so now listen. We gotta go back. Now, for those of you that have been dealing with an ex, okay? Your ex is coming back, okay? And your ex, I know, just stop with the eye rolls. Y'all know I ain't mentioned eye rolling and cutting your eyes at me in a while, but I feel it. I ain't even put this video out. Just stop, okay? I love y'all, but just stop. Just stop. So listen. So, Spirit is saying they want you to keep an open mind when it comes to this person. I definitely feel like this person is going to come back to you correct. The problem is this person is taking a cautious approach to come back towards you because they know that they messed up really, really, really bad in the past. And I feel like this person is planning to come and visit you. They're making some type of plan, but they're keeping it to themselves because they want to see you. They want to fix things with you. And this person is your true love. It's like they know that you are the one for them. They do not want to let you go. So they're making plans to come back in to right their wrongs. Oh, got a little dark outside. Hold on, y'all. Make sure y'all can see. Okay. All right. So that's what I have. Starting out, so we're just gonna see, for the collective, when I break this down, how it comes out. So this is gonna be interesting because I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel like it's the past. Don't roll your eyes, okay? Alright, but anyway, let's jump in and let's just see what comes out, guys. Come on, shuffling. Alright, Spirit. General spread, please, for my Libra. Is somebody nervous out there? Because, I'm getting hot. And I don't know why. I'm getting a little warm, but let's see. I mean, I know I'm a Libra too, but I'm good. So, let's just see. Alright, Libra. Y'all, this cloth is a little tricky. Y'all know I'm used to, sliding my cards, but it's pretty though, but anyway, so bottom of the deck, I have the Magician. So this is telling me that somebody is trying to manifest. Someone is trying to stay positive. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm laughing because the second half of March readings that I put out for you guys, I look at the comments. I was cracking up because a lot of people have been dealing with cancers, and what was the first thing that came out? A Cancer, okay? So, that could be significant for you guys, my twin, his moon is in Cancer, so listen, I'm with y'all, okay? Anyway, so this is telling me that some of you guys could definitely be dealing with a Cancer. If not, this is saying that somebody wants to move forward. Maybe you guys are just wanting to move away from this individual, or this could be this person wanting to come back to move forward with you. But let's see. Clarify the Chariot, please. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. I definitely feel like this was a lesson that somebody had to go through because, see, they've been thinking a lot. And that's possibly why I see them wanting to come back and they want to move forward. Yeah, somebody is listening to their intuition now. Clarify the High Priestess, please. Hold on a second. Clarify the Knight of Wands reverse. Let me see. Because that can, I'm picking up a couple of things. Okay. Yeah, okay, so listen, guys. This is for the person, yeah, this is an ex. This is somebody who messed up. So what I'm seeing here, this person definitely has been doing a lot of thinking, been doing a lot of soul searching, been just going through it, right? And they now know that they want to move forward with you. I feel like for some of you guys, they may have to move close to you if you guys are at a distance. This person is not confused. It's like they know what they want. They're listening to their intuition. But at the same time, every time they try to reach back out to you or they want to talk to you, they talk themselves out of it because they're scared that they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you. There's a Magician here at the bottom of the deck again. So this is telling them they're trying to stay positive. I feel like they're trying to manifest you. But this person left you out in the cold. You know, they ghosted you, and I feel like they're having a hard time with that. Yeah, they're definitely having a hard time. See, somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, but I definitely feel like you guys had to walk away from this person because of their toxic behaviors. You know, they could have put you in some type of third-party situation, and y'all were not having that. But I feel like whoever messed up, they definitely want things to improve because, see, they want to come back to turn things around. They want to work things out with you. Something flipped over. The Three of Swords tried to come out. There was definitely some type of third party here. Okay, there's the Queen of Pentacles lot, and the Queen of Wands at the bottom of the deck. See what I'm saying? There was some type of third party. There was definitely a third party here. Out of these two queens, I feel like you guys are representing the Queen of Pentacles, but let me just see something. Tell me more. Could be dealing with an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. The way the Four of Swords just came out, I feel like the person that messed up, it's like they're worried. They're worried that they lost you for good because you guys have just been focusing on yourselves. You know, you've been healing. You're worrying about your own stability. You guys are just throwing yourself into your career. You're starting your business, like taking care of home. Y'all not worried about this person. And that's why they're scared because they're worried that they're going to lose you. And they're trying to come out of their head thinking about it. Yeah, see, they're scared that you don't want to build with them anymore. They feel like it's a wrap. Back and forth about the Ace of Pentacles. So this person definitely wants to give you an offer, and it's the offer that you deserve, but they're scared that you're not going to accept it because of all the BS that they put you through. See? They're worried. This person is definitely frustrated. They can't sleep. They're in their head. They're like, I made the biggest mistake of my life. This was a third party situation. If they chose someone else, or they were dealing with someone else outside of your relationship between the two of you, they are regretting it. See? The seeds that they planted with you, they definitely want it to grow. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. So, this person basically is working really hard. They're going to come back because they want to work really, really hard to win you back. Because they know that in the past, they didn't bring balance towards the relationship, the commitment, the marriage, whatever your situation is. They're coming out of feeling sad. I definitely feel like if somebody is worried about money, they're coming out of that as well. I feel like they're putting their hard work into their career. They're trying to build back up their accounts. Here's the Emperor. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but this person was being very stubborn in the past, had a lot of pride issues, and see, it's like they're having a hard time telling you the truth. But it's some type of truth that is, if it hasn't come out already, they're going to come back to speak their truth, or maybe you guys are going to find out something. Back and forth energy. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But the way the King of Cups and the Fool came out, this is telling me that this person, whoever messed up, they are emotional right now. They're an emotional wreck, okay? Because I'm telling you, they made the wrong decision. See, and then there's the Six of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. They were trying to balance things out between you and another person. And it's like this person has a hard time speaking up to you, letting you know what's going on. I feel like they've been keeping secrets. And that's why the moon is here in reverse, because they know they have to tell you something. And it's like they've been talking to someone that they trust. They've just been getting some type of guidance. And it's like they want to come back to take this leap to speak the truth and to tell you how they feel. But at the same time, they're holding back. This person messed up bad. See, Justice. Some of you guys could have been dealing with another Libra. This is also basically saying that somebody is looking for the truth. They could be going through some type of like court situation as well. Let's see. Or legal situation. Clarify justice. Let's just see. Let's see what comes out. See what I'm saying? There's the King and the Queen of Cups. So somebody is definitely dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Somebody, I'm picking up a lot. Somebody could be going through court, like a court situation, because of like the mother of their child, the father of their child. It could be something dealing with their actual mother, like if they were giving their mother money and the mother did something, now they gotta go to court to get back. So it's something. It's a lot of y'all, so listen. Pick whatever is your situation, okay? But, yeah, there's some type of justice here. I feel like justice was served the way that this person treated you, Libra. And see, yeah, it's like this person wants to marry you. They want a commitment with you. They want a family with you. But, this person is dragging their feet. They could have been being a player in the past. Yeah, and see, like now, it's like they had you waiting. It's like they expected you to wait around, and it's like when you guys, I feel like a lot of you guys cut this person off, and now they're getting ready to make a move. If they were frustrated about their money before, they letting that go because they're realizing that they're getting ready to lose you. But see, they're undecided about what to do. They're undecided about how to come in to talk to you how to fix this because they're scared that you don't want a new beginning with them. You don't want this new opportunity because they did stab you in the back in the past. And again, I just see like they want you to forgive them. And so they're going to come back to give you this offer. There's the Ace of Cups. It's the offer that you deserve. It's a secure offer, a firm offer of commitment here. Let's see. But there was some type of breakup here. Okay, so for some of you guys, because there's arguing here. And my candle is over here flickering. So listen. Somebody wants to give you an offer, right? And I feel like they're planning on giving you this offer. But the problem is they had to get out of some type of situation, whether it was a marriage, a relationship, if they felt obligated to friends, family. They had to basically cut someone off or people off, whatever the situation is. And it's like, if they give you this offer, they know it's going to cause a lot of conflict with other people outside of you. It's like it's a lot of people in y'all business. I did someone else, and I feel like this is sounding like one of the other signs, but whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna keep moving. But yeah, it's just gonna cause a lot of conflict. Yeah, because see, at one point, this person felt stuck. They felt trapped in a situation, and it's like now they're coming out of that energy. It's like they're freeing themselves, and they're getting ready to speak their truth. See, there's communication coming in. There's definitely communication coming in, Libra. But this person has to make a decision. They're trying to figure out maybe how to communicate to you. Should they call you? Should they text you? Should they text you? Should